Hello guys, hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And guys, today I've been given another work by Patricia before I leave. She has decided I have to be energetic. Hey, I have to slim. So we're pounding some nuts. You can see them here. This is how they make the powder. You see the powder? That's the original powder. That is the nuts powder. So because I'll be preparing a meal later. She's showing me how to prepare. It's called katogo. Yes.
G-nuts
G-nuts
with
Irish
with potatoes. Yes.
So this is the process. These guys have a lot of work in the village. You have to pound this and then you go cook. Actually, but it's interesting.
So
I'm
you
learning.
start.
So let me start.
How is the process?
Not easy.
Eh?
Guys, it's not easy. Let me tell you. If you see Patricia, salute her. Guys, I'm losing some kgs before I leave.
Aje? Ndio kuzitamu.
Are they okay? I have to keep out.
Let me see.
Guys, I'm being told they are not ready.
But they are not. You're
not
seeing
ready.
those big things. Continue with 2 hands.
Guys, if you are visiting Patricia's village,
Wait.
be ready.
For Pepe.
Wait, I am seeing Pepe. Fire. It is fire, oh fire, fire. But guys, it's interesting. You can visit and see for yourself, learn more. You see? Hey. So everyone does like this, or you have machines? Just be honest, you guys.
Hey.
Guys, this is how you do.
Haha. You were laughing at me. You do your thing.
Guys, you have to save it. When you're shaking the whole body.
The breasts
You're shaking.
are dancing.
This is a whole process. Hi guys, I'm back. So today Grandma is teaching me how to make katogo. That is potatoes, as you can see, and the groundnuts that we were making, the powder. So we're peeling first with her, and yeah.
Makaka hat.
I'm learning actually in Uganda how to make their traditional foods and their daily foods, what they have. So
This is going to be our lunch. So you're just making us lunch.
okay. I hope you guys are going to enjoy my lunch.
niko barari kureba uri kuhata n'abakiko kiko mbwene
Guys, you know grandmothers are wise, eh?
Very wise.
So I'm here learning a lot. So before going back to my country, I'll be
A pro at this.
pro at this, pro at so many things, so many advices, as you know.
The advice.
How to treat a husband, how to treat,
Hey.
how to stay with people, how to, mostly she's teaching us a lot.
Yeah, my grandmother says when you go somewhere, at least learn something.
Something good.
You might find a lot of bad things in an area, but at least there is one thing that you can
good.
that is good that you can learn.
So actually, I've learned a lot, a lot of good things when the days I've been with her. So I'll just go practice in my country, back in my country.
Yeah, it's a country.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in my country,
yeah.
country.
Country. Have you
How
heard?
do you say it?
Country.
How do you say it?
I've said it.
Country.
Country.
In Ugandan English.
I'm gonna use my local accent. The R-O-I, C-R, country.
Country.
It's a country anyway.
English is not our thing, guys. You know it.
It's not my thing.
English
Not
came
my
with the sheep.
Which sheep? The lamb sheep.
That came from abroad.
Yeah.
We talk our local languages. Only that, we have to communicate in
Definitely.
English, because our subscribers,
Also, the people that are viewing,
and also here, the language barrier is another thing. Because me and grandma, we're not able to communicate.
These two can't communicate. They use sign language.
But
at least you have a translator.
So if we are left here, the two of us, I'll not know anything.
True.
So we're cleaning the potatoes, but we have to clean them twice for them to be clean.
Because they're really dirty.
They have a lot of sand, you see.
The soil.
The soil, you have to remove all the soil. I am becoming a Ugandan. I think I need to look for citizenship here.
Will you manage?
But it's cold. It's cold.
Here it's cold, but in the center and the north it's not so cold.
I don't want somewhere where it's hot. Too much hotness. I think this is a good place to stay.
It's like favorable.
Potatoes, a lot of bananas.
There's another big one for you here.
Washing. So the lighting in the kitchen was not a bit good, so we came out. So this is the second time I'm washing them and rinsing.
Hey, for what? You'll be learning to land your teeth on that one. Ahaha. Yeah, clean. Now you're going to put water,
Then boil, right?
then you put it. Don't put a lot, that's enough.
Hey guys.
You first extend the charcoal, whatever, behind the charcoal stove, a bit behind
Here.
where your legs are. That's okay. Then you can put on.
So I'm cooking lunch.
Heavy lunch, guys.
Heavy lunch. So we have to let it boil. We have to cover it so that it boils before we add our groundnuts.
Yeah, we are going to
Powder.
Let me get you the cover.
You don't
The
know how
Kenyan
I
is
feel.
enjoying.
The sweetness.
Hey,
Of
you,
being in the village.
you don't want to leave?
I'm not leaving. Guys, I am looking for
Citizenship.
citizenship to stay in Uganda because Kenya. I'm not coming back.
With all the Swahili you know, you're not going back.
Here.
Yeah.
I'll become a teacher of Swahili in Uganda.
Very good money, ba? Very good money.
Guys,
See the attire.
I'm in the village. You don't wear those funny things from the city. You come wearing your tummies out. With grandma, you have to be presentable.
Decent. Tell them so that before they come, they know.
You're coming to the village. Now let me give you a secret. And you're visiting Patricia's grandmother. Please.
Come with such dresses that knock.
Such dresses. You see how long it is? Come with such dresses. And wrappers. Cover yourself. No pants.
You want people to feel you're coming?
Actually, I'm joking. She's a lovely grandmother, let me tell you. She's amazing. People here are welcoming, so nice. They just, and you know, being a stranger, being welcomed in a home, and you feel so nice, you know, like all the way from Kenya to this place for the first time, and these people took me like one of the family, you know. I just appreciate so much. I have a debt. I have a debt.
You're over talking. I'm going to cut this.
Don't cut. I'm just telling people the truth, you know. Being welcomed in a home, being a stranger for the first time, and these people were warmly. You feel I don't feel like I'm going back, guys, but I have to. So guys, let's eat our potatoes too.
Yeah. Let me cover it. Let me get you the cover, then yeah, we can let them boil.
See you in a minute.
See you shortly.
So as you can see, I'm cutting the onions and tomatoes so that I put into our potatoes so that it will just cook. Here they don't fry food actually. Most of the foods they don't fry with the cooking oil. So oops, that is how I dropped one of the tomatoes. But you know what? I continued with the rest of the tomatoes. Like they were shocked because I was holding a knife and cutting the tomatoes. They thought I could cut my fingers, but I am used to cutting the onions and the tomatoes in that style. That's how I was trained since I was a kid by my mother in the village, you know. Being a village girl, you have to get used to so many things, you see. And even she called the grandmother to come and see how I'm cutting the onions and the tomatoes. Look, she thinks I may cut my finger, but it's so easy holding a knife like that. I'm so used to it. Very used. So our food is boiling, as you can see, as I wait to add the tomatoes, guys. Look at my serious face. You may think someone had just kicked me. You think someone had just given me a heavy slap, but actually not. I was just concentrated. So it's time to add my onions and tomatoes in my boiling potatoes. So guys, yeah, you see, I've still not added the groundnut, which will be the last part. Patricia was guiding me, grandma left. Because we at grandma, we don't, you know, our languages have a barrier, like we cannot communicate when we are left together, you know. We have to use sign language, and sometimes she doesn't understand me. So it's time to add my groundnut. So I'm trying to put some water so that I make like powder, the groundnut powder, so that I mix it in the potatoes.
More water.
Of the groundnuts. I add some more water.
I'm learning, guys.
This is the powder that I was
More water.
at the beginning of the video. That is the pounded groundnut that I was making. So
That's enough.
this is what
Mix
I
it
am
well
using to
and then
make
add
the
it. Because you're supposed
katogo.
to
That
add
is
it when
Ugandan
the
food.
water has
They're
boiled.
training me
And
and
you see it's
showing me how
boiling.
to make it.
So
And guys, just wait for the
should
results.
pour.
That is okay. Yeah, so it looks yummy, right? Just look. And then it's
So we
very
add
healthy
in.
because they don't use cooking oil mostly when they are cooking. They just make organic foods. So I've added my sauce, the groundnut
It's always good to show
sauce.
people like this side
Now
because
I
the
have to
camera
wait
face is
for it
here.
to
You get?
boil and
You have to be mindful where the camera
so
is
let's
facing
cover
when
it
you're doing
and
this.
give it some time to
That one
simmer
I have to cut.
as we wait
You can
for
remove the
lunch.
voice.
Actually, I'm making lunch for the people. And guys, the food is ready. Not ready, actually, it's still boiling. That's how it looks like.
Not now. I don't know if I'm holding it well, but
So
you can
this
always
is
rotate.
our food. We have to let it cook. That is simmer for some, not even minutes. And then here is the maize. Grandma brought us some maize cobs, as you can see. So it's time to roast them
I don't know.
and enjoy
Let's
the
try.
maize. You see, yeah,
Fresh
she was
from the
very
garden.
caring. Actually,
Hey!
she brought for us the maize so
Ululu.
that we
It
can
won't
roast
fit.
as we cook the katogo. So we put it inside the cooking stove, a charcoal cooking stove actually. So it's just a stove, not it uses charcoal. So as
we're going
our
to let
food
it cook,
cooks,
boil, and all that.
we roast the maize. You know, village life is amazing. It's time to add some salt for the taste. You know, you have to put salt so that you can have that awesome taste. Without salt, you'd feel like that food is not even good. It's not even going down your throat, you know. So I was just pouring some salt, and guys, don't think I'm just grumpy. I am tired. I've been shooting another video, that's why my face looks really tired. I'm sorry for that. I know you might wonder why I have that face, but bear with me. I am tired, so it's time to cover it so that we let it. It's time to serve. You see how it looks yummy.
Put soup, then you put the avocado.
And some rice. And some avocado.
It looks weird. First wait.
Guys, yeah, I was given another avocado. Looks nice, right? So guys, I was tired. My face can tell it all that I was tired. I look like a zombie. I look like that, someone who has just mashed. You see how you mash a potato? That is how my face looks like. Guys, it's time to have my lunch. Okay, it's late lunch actually. But I've learned a lot to make this food with so much love, you know, the Ugandan food. And I'm so happy to learn new things. Everywhere you go, you have to learn something new. So, guys, don't forget to watch this video, like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Let me know how you think about this food, or if wherever you're watching it from, you guys have such kind of food. In Kenya, we don't have such food. Actually, we don't. So it's my first time having it here in Uganda. So see you. Bye. Until next time. Out. Peace.